So today is day 5 with Beat application. So ngayon, papakita ko na kung paano natin talaga ginagawa or i-apply yung mga concepts na natutunan natin. So first is letter B. Tinitignan natin yung broad market view or kung ano talaga nangyayari sa mundo. Okay? So yung importance nito, looking at yung yung buong mundo, yung importance nito ay nakikita natin kung ano yung nangyayari muna sa big picture. So very important to kasi kailangan natin makita yung yung parang yung broader picture of what is really happening kasi 'di ba bawat financial market, kunyari yung stock market, yung commodities market, may effect yan sa forex market. And makakabigay siya ng clues kung saan tayo dapat papasok. And then from the broad market view, pupunta tayo sa individual currencies. Ano ba yung lakas nila? So doon natin gagamitin ng economics. Ayun, based on economic data, ito yung malakas sa itong week na to. And then once alam na natin kung sino yung malakas, i-confirm natin kung tama yung ginagawa natin or aligned ba tayo sa mga experts. And then once alam na natin na aligned tayo sa experts, then doon tayo maghahanap ng magandang entry, which is we will use mate formula or yung that version ng mate formula is yung mate formula na may supply and demand na. So yun yung parang upgraded version ng mate. Okay? So to begin, yung gagawin natin. First, we have to bring out yung journal. Okay? So bakit meron tayong journal? I think sa TMT na-explain na ni Coach Job dati pa. A journal is very important because it allows you to record your trades. So hindi lang recording yung trades mo, nire-record mo rin kung ano yung analysis mo sa weekend. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko, kailangan bago mag-weekday, mag-prepare ka na sa weekend. Syempre naman, hindi naman pwedeng kunyari Saturday, okay, ito yung analysis ko sa Saturday or sa Sunday, yung economics. Memorize ko yun pagdating sa weekday. Medyo mahirap yan. So, kung gusto natin talaga maging 30-minute trader, as in 30 minutes per day tayo mag-analyze, meaning 30 minutes Sunday, Saturday, and weekdays, kailangan journal natin lahat so that pagdating sa weekday and mag-enter tayo, sobrang onti na lang yung time na required para mag-enter ng trade or maghanap ng trade bale. Okay? So, ang rule natin sa pag-journal is update the journal weekly on weekends. So, yan, papakita ko naman yan mamaya. And then, update your trades every day. Okay? So, yung mangyayari dyan is meron kang journal, susulatin mo yung broad market view analysis, economics analysis, and your analysis of experts doon sa journal every weekend. And then after that, ipaplan mo na yung trades mo for the week beginning on Monday. Yun, para advanced, 'di ba? And then from there, i-update mo. Oh, nag-enter ba ako nito on Monday or Tuesday or what? Ayan. And then kapag nag-enter at what price, ganyan, and whatever. So papakita ko yung format in a bit. Ayan. Pero first, let's talk about schedule. Okay? So as I said din, sa Saturday, ang unang gagawin natin ay broad market view and a bit of economics. Okay? So, yung whole point nito is at least meron kang one day na ide-dedicate mo na 30 minutes in order to analyze just this part. Okay? Para hindi mo kailangan mag-analyze sa sobrang tagal sa isang araw. Okay? So, broad market view and just a bit of Forex Factory. Tapos sa Sunday, mas analyze mo pa yung Forex Factory kung ano pwede mangyari within the week. And then COT, yung analysis of experts. And then Monday to Friday, before you enter a trade, kailangan, pwede ka mag-mate formula, use retail analysis or yung retail data, yung pinakita ko, yung pang-contrarian, in order to enter your trade. Okay?